While many filmmakers capture audio on set, it is common on big feature film productions to re-record and add additional audio and sounds in post-production. There are two reasons to re-record audio and to replace the original audio track. First, the dialogue and ambient sound on set might be unusable due to background noise and unwanted sounds coming from machines or people. The second reason is to support a certain mood and to add more drama to a scene, for example with sound effects. Adding sound effects is a simple way even for independent filmmakers to get the audience attention, not just through visual storytelling but also through the audible level. While it might be hard to record every sound by yourself, there are sound libraries out there that make it easy to add more production value to your film. We have been using the Media Edit Sound Pack Pro by our friends from Beatsuit on a lot of projects. The library features all kinds of sounds like impacts, transitions, technical sounds, and much more. Combining dialogue, ambient sound and sound effects as well as music isn't needed on every film, but it's a great way to use the medium to the fullest. You should always keep in mind that the audience doesn't know how the original audio track sounds like, and not every sound is being shown as an action on screen. That means you can play much more around with the audio track than with the visuals to control a mood in a certain scene.